Reading.
Open House, showing off Taipei's hidden treasures. 2021 Open House, Taipei's past, present, and future. This year, we're showing a different side of Taipei. The theme for 2021 is Re-Taipei, and we're showing people a fresh view. Along with hidden treasures, visitors can see familiar places through new eyes. Learn about how Taipei City was born and how it became what it is today. Go on an adventure through time while touring old towns. Hear about the decisions behind major changes, like how Taipei 101 was built. You might also see impressive places you never expected. Keeping the heart of Taipei beating. Another focus of this year's open house is sustainability. Locals can find out what Taipei is doing to become a greener city. You can see how people do this at Wanhua's Qingnian social housing project. People here form a community that lives a green life, and the building adds beauty to the neighborhood. By opening these places, we hope everyone can understand what effects they have on their world. We believe knowing your city can enable you to change the world.